Hello everybody, today I would like to demonstrate how you can split the screen on Microsoft Surface device. So to start off, launch apps or whatever that you would like to split the screen between. Then drag any of those opened apps like so, put them to this wide appearance stuff at the top, wide appearance app, and then place the app into the layout, the split screen layout that you would like to use. I'll use simply this one. Then choose the second app that you would like to open in such view, and that will be it. Now those apps are in the split screen multitasking mode, like so. If you have a keyboard connected to it, you can just open the app that you would like to use in the split screen mode and tap the Windows arrow left or right shortcut. But since I do not have any keyboard on me, I will not be able to show you that, but I think I've explicitly explained it, well, good enough. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.